How's everybody doing today? My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry smoothie. Step number one is going to be adding 5 to 8 cubes of ice. Lucky for me, I got some cubes right here. Oop, there we go, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Light the candle! Step number 2, this is where the smoothie gets its name. We're going to add some strawberries. As far as strawberries go, just get a big handful. Well, looks like I got about 11 strawberries here. Now, if you actually plan ahead of time, you're gonna wanna freeze your strawberries first. It's gonna make a colder and icier smoothie. For me, I didn't think this through, so all of my strawberries are room temperature. I mean, if you're really feeling in the mood to do something crazy, leave these little green guys on there. Try not to stab your fingers off while you do this. The strawberries are looking like they've seen better days. Cut up, ready to dump them in. Oh, ah. I think I'm getting shocked by my microphone. All right, next step. We're gonna add a little kick of vitamin C to this smoothie. We're gonna do that by chopping in half an orange. Chop that bad boy right in half. All right, add that half an orange in there. I am getting shocked every time I touch the metal sink. I don't know why. Next step, add 1 container of yogurt. Now, whatever you have in the fridge is gonna be perfect. Me, I happen to have some strawberry yogurt today. That's gonna work perfectly for this, just as long as it's not something weird like key lime. Now let's move on to my secret ingredient. I remember I said this in my last video. Do you ever find yourself sipping on a smoothie, thinking to yourself, man, I wish this smoothie had more calories? Light the candle! Well, I got a solution for you guys. Add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. There's number 1, number 2, and number 3. Last thing we're gonna add, pour in some orange juice. So look at the contents of your container here, and then add it to about 1/4 of that. You never want to add too much. It's better to start with a little and then add as you go until you get to the right consistency that you want. If you add too much right away, you could water down your smoothie. Right about there. Any more than that, and you're gonna ruin the consistency of your smoothie. All right, let's fire it up. There we go, guys. Looks like it's done. And that, my friends, is how you make a perfect strawberry smoothie. Come back next week. I'm going to show you how to make pineapple corn dogs. And until next time, I will catch you guys later. Light the candle!